So Scruffiti is a really good way of generating some creative design ideas. First thing you need to do is draw a controlled scribble. Next step is to shade in some of the shapes. Once you've shaded in some of the shapes, you can then get another bit of paper, have a go at redrawing some of the shapes. So if I start with this one that I started with, the red shape, you can start by sketching that shape. So just copy. It doesn't have to be exact. Okay, so you should know what you're making. Let's say I'm making a lamp. Okay, what I now need to think about is how can I actually turn this into a lamp? Now I might think first of all, where will my LEDs go? Maybe I've got my LEDs that will go here. Might have a power cable here, which is on USB. Okay, it might be that I use this shape here and create triangles all the way over for the pattern. And perhaps I add a base to this as well. Okay, so it looks a bit odd. Okay, but I have generated a creative idea. Now let's say I was creating a storage for stationery. So I'm going to be looking at this blue shape here. So I've drawn the blue shape. This time I'm going to make it look a little bit more 3D. I'm going to add on a side. What I might do is put a little hole here. And then I'm going to imagine that's going to be cut out. What this can be used for is storing stationery, for example. It might be that I then put some drill holes in the top of this, and perhaps that's where my pencils and pens are going to be going. And I could actually draw the items to just demonstrate how it's going to be used. Okay, maybe on the side I could do some little drawers, and that's where I can keep my pencil sharpeners and my rubbers. Maybe it's got a little handle on that one. Okay, think about my client. In this case, if my client was a female teenage girl, she might like a little heart-shaped drawer, or this could just be a decoration. Alright, maybe I'm going to have some laser engraving on here, so perhaps she might like some funky patterns. Maybe I could even build this down. Perhaps there's another little storage for putting things in, like paper.